In this video, we will show you how to change margins in Google Documents. To change margin in Google Documents or Google Docs, first we need to create blank page, for example. And in here, I already prepared some paragraph and want to copy and paste on our Google Documents. You can see here, our Google Documents has the same size of the margins page. To set or customize the margins, first you need to click the Files menu and then choose Page Setup. Then in here, you can see you can change the orientation or margins. In here, we need just to set the margins, and we want also to change the paper size to A4. Then in here, we need to select or custom the left margin to become 2. This is in inch. Okay, and on the top we need just 0.5, also the bottom, and in the right let it also 0.5. After you done in here, you just click OK. Now you can see there the page margins in Google Documents already changed. That's all tutorial how to change the margins in Google Documents. Hope this video helpful for you.